Hello and welcome to my vlog. Char! Hello everyone, and for today's vlog, I will finally be sharing with you my room renovation tips and ideas. Actually, I had my room renovated last year. So, if you're interested in what you have seen on the short photo compilation, then keep on watching. First tip is ang first step and tip, you should find theme that suits you or theme that you really love or you really like. So if you have found it, then stick to it. You can research ideas and styles and mga themes on the Pinterest. Compile niyo siya tanan. Once ma-compile na nimo tanan niya, imo magian, imo ganahan, that's the time you will realize that naara jay one thing in common sa tanan nimo na compile. So mao na siya imo ganahan. So mao na siya imuhang murag inspiration bali. So tip number 2, find a color that will suit your kanang theme. So for example, I have actually 4 colors, 2 major colors and 2 accent colors. So my 2 major colors are the gray and the white, and my accent colors are gold and very light pink. Have existing furnitures that you still wanted to use, you can do that, of course. Just repaint it according to your theme. My bed, I color painted my bed with white, and sa iyahan katumrag ana kay gold. And for my cabinet, same as with my cabinet, I color painted it with white. Then for my table as well, ganang white sad siya, and my chair white sad siya. So everything should be color coordinated. So ingon ni sa akong sister si Sharee, she told me she's actually an architecture graduate, so very reliable kay akong source. So she told me that to make the room kanang mura siya o kanang limpyo and very kanang organized, minimal colors lang, kanang within your theme lang to make it not look messy. So mo na ihandi ingon sa ko before, and I actually took her advice. A short story lang. During that time when I had my room renovated, I was still working, and during katong sa party namo, hi Sir Errol, actually siya man kabunot nako, and he asked me unsa day ganahan ako kay nangutana daw ang ako manita, and guess what? I told him ganahan ko og something gold, gray, pink, or white. So, yakong gitigal crush kan nga very cute kaayo nga color gold. So, I'm very happy and I'm using that in my room right now. So, thank you kay Sir Errol. So, mo to siya ang tip number 2. The color should be kanang within your theme. Number 3 is maximize your space. So since I don't have the luxury of space, I only have a very petite bedroom or kanang small space lang jud siya, and I have to really save more space para di po ton magrabi maghuot. So I make use of the walls. I have here my floating shelves. Kay magamit na jud siya, like I could store all my books. And another thing to maximize space is hanging mirrors. So hanging mirrors could also make your room look big, and mine was di ka siya dako. I bought it at Metro here in Bugo. I bought it in Metro kay katong time man nangita ko og bigger siya, bigger sizes. Pero wala ko kakita. More na ako nakitaan, and it's actually on sale. So ako siya gipalit. Everyone loves sale, you know. So muna siya. I painted it with gold since I only bought this frame from Gaisano here in Bugo as well. The original color of the frame is brown, and I color painted it with gold. So muna siya. Frames already, mga picture frames. Nya, dili ka ganahan mo palit kay on a budget or you wanted to save. So, pwede rin jud siya, color paint it sa color nga imuhang ganahan. Customize your handles. So, if you have existing furnitures or all furnitures with you, nya imong gi-repaint, you can actually repaint the handles as well. Pero pwede sad maka-customize ka sa handles. Sa handles nimo, maka-customize ka sa handles. You can buy pieces from Ace Hardware. I got mine from Ace Hardware. Nag-100 sila dito, and it's affordable. Kasagaran prices nila, price ranges from 30 pesos to 100. So, tip number 7 for decorating your floating shelves. What you need to put floating is, it depends on you, but always consider ang durability and hold sa imuha floating shelf. So that's mao ni siya akong gibutang ang ako rang frame, clock and S and A. All is color gray, so you need to put things that are nang makita siya kanang naay white to mo contrast siya ba, dili siya mo kuan sa wall. So po explain ano, basta mo na siya. Number 8, for the floating shelves, actually had it kana bitaw na palit mi og board, kanang dako kay nga board, plyboard, unsa na taw, nabasa kana siya board, and ipakatra lang mo siya, then color painted it. We color painted it with pink, Venetian, color painted it with pink, and then wala siya. We really didn't buy it sa mall. Pwede ra jud kayo maghimura mo inyong floating shelf. It's dali ra siya. Pero ang pag-install ana sa kaning hub kanang someone nga kamao jud mo unsa na mo install with putting kanang heavy objects or mga books or unsa na niya human basin mahulog ba. Oh my god. So, good thing I have my cousin Kuya Don2 install ana sa ako ang nag-install sa ako ang kaning mga floating shelves, and gladfully okay na siya, very strong and durable. So for tip number 9, napututag number 9. So for tip number 9, nalimutan ko. Choose a pendant light. Kaya nga naman, it will add a little drama to your room. So pendant light is really nindot siya. So lang pa-explain. So here is an example of pendant lights. And it has tri-colors, warm, katong white, katong cool tone, o in between sa duha. You can actually set it depending on your mood. Kung ganahan ka relax, chill, you can actually set it into warm tone. Ini siya, akong table is actually a vanity mirror before. And since nagbuy man ko og another mirror, katong hanging mirror, wall mirror, hanging mirror, basta mo na siya, mirror yung ibutang sa wall. So, I have it removed and then akong gi-retain, ang table na lang ang gi-retain. So, mo ni siya. And this is how I arrange my things. And to be honest, gamay ra jud kay ni siya akong table, promise. As in, gamay ra jud kay siya. To maximize your space, nakabalik ko inani kani siya. Kani siya, napalit ako siya mura siya og kanang first floor, second floor. Kani siya, so para imong mga butang ma-maximize nimo ang imong mga ang space nimo, mabutang na nimo imong bisag unsa imong importante nga butang. I'm thinking of doing a separate video of what's in my work table or my study table, maybe soon. So that's basically everything. Tips, but if I missed out something, I will just update it on my description box. So the main point of this video is find a theme and then find a color theme for your room and then stick to it. And if you have any questions regarding sa tips or any questions, just comment or just leave a comment down below. So I apologize if my ideas are all over the place, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you on my next video.